Good morning, everyone. This is Aftab once again live right here for all of you. So I will be looking at gold, euro, and index, dollar index. So I will be explaining the different, pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar index. All of them are standing at good levels. Even the dollar yen, even the AUDJPY. So then I will be discussing the gold trade as well that I discussed yesterday. So what it did, what it should have done, or what was supposed to be doing, and what is going to happen next. Everything will be discussed today in this live stream. So starting with the euro dollar, let's see the dollar CHF. I will be looking at it because the more pairs, the better. The better we learn, the better we understand. If we just glue to one pair, then I think we cannot learn much from the markets. Okay, because if we have time, we need to instead of look at it this way, instead of staring at one currency pair and or one instrument, for example gold, as this, it doesn't make any good sense to me, especially to me. Okay, I'm not sure about you. You guys are gurus yourself. Oh, wow. Dollar yen, did you see yesterday what I said? Right here, if you see, I think now it is the time for the dot. What is this problem giving me? I think this black template is a bit heavy on my system, so I should. I like black, but let's see. Okay, but it is heavy on my system, I guess. Even yesterday, my black on white will be good. Just look at it. So that day, what I said, there will be. Let's see. I'm marking a little bit levels as well for myself because oh no, you are gurus yourself. You can do everything yourself. Okay. So and gold. Wow. Gold is going to do something bigger today. Yesterday, this one was a good trade. Let's launch Epic Pen. This one trade I took right now, this one trade I'm holding from yesterday. If I go offline, it will mean that my computer gave me some problem. Okay. My computer do what? My computer gave me some problem. So sorry about that. Maybe then we will see in the NY session. Let's change it. Black on white will be good to have less burden on the computer. How to hide this? Not sure. Let's save this template. Black template is putting a lot of burden on my computer. I have a lot of other processes going on as well at the same time. Okay. Let's quickly change. Okay, this is good. This color is, let me change this as well. Great. And let's do this as well. I want to fill the color with, oh great, everything is set now. Let's see this gold as well a little bit. You know, gold has started its consolidation zone right here. So this trade I took yesterday from right here with 123 pips of an SL and 400, around 414 pips it was overall giving me. I didn't closed because first this position is uh, the broker don't allow me to close half of this because this is the minimum position I can take, and on this account I think it makes sense to only take this much. Okay, let's fix this webcam as well. Right here, chroma key turned off because this is going good. And this trade I took a moment ago before the live stream. So let's see what actually yesterday happened when it was dropping. I took several trades as well right here. There is no fancy stuff. You know, when the market is dropping, let me discuss this. In simple words, I should say, we saw yesterday an up move. Okay, this, if you understand, you will be successful forever. If you understand, if you apply it on your own charts, then you will be successful forever. We get an up wave. Let's say right now this is a past data for me. Okay, this is what, this is a past data. So being a forex trader, I have to know that okay, how I want to leverage this past data. For example, price was at 10, and when the price go up to 60, or let's say price was started from 0 and went to 100. I mean literally buying right here, buying right here doesn't make good sense, and people do take buy. Why? because they think it is going further up, because in the real time we are not aware of this pullback. We are not aware of this pullback. That's why people take buy trades right here. For example, right here, if you see yesterday when the market was going up, right now even I know people who bought from right here. And why they bought? They bought because they were not aware of this drop. So what was the logic behind it? Let's read that as well. This is our mind when market is going up as this. Inside our mind, what's going on? We think price is going up. We look for a pullback, but the pullback doesn't come, and immediately then right here we think, okay, right here we think, okay, now let me take a buy trade. Who are these? Who are those traders who become prey of such decisions? These are such traders who just look at one time frame of the market and then they say, okay, this is nicely going up, so let me jump in right here, and completely ignore the other time frames. But for example, if there is a very clever and good trader, a trader who really understands the market, what that trader will be doing, we will be discussing that. But before that, let me quickly check the audio, video and everything. Who is with me in the chat? Please let me know. PS Kumar Reddy, good morning, how are you doing? So I'm coming to this point, but I also want to see the these other pairs as well. I forgot to bring water today. Just give me one moment, okay? But if that trader say, let me, if I'm looking at if I'm looking at the H1 time frame, then if I also have to look at the H4 time frame, then that trader can clearly say, no, my friend, I cannot take a buy right here. So I will say these traders are good traders who understand it, and there is no rocket science in Forex. I'm not sure out there people have made it a bit more, I mean too much technical, but this is not too much technical. So there will be several buying levels as well, okay? Because if it drop, the drop can be around 1200 pips back down to 4010, 14 somewhere. right? So I'm coming to this gold. Let's see the euro dollar. Let me give you the analysis as well. This is now a turncoat support with us. If I tell you euro US dollar is standing in such a place, which can be a lot tricky. Okay, don't take it so light. We have this change of character as well. Then we have this trend as well, and this trend is still active. And maybe perhaps why it dropped from there, because you know I have a Fibonacci strategy. We have got a slight break above from this zone. So let's say if I take a sell today, hundred pips of stop loss it will need. Okay, I take it. 100 pips of a stop loss can potentially give me 170 pips of a TP, and I will be targeting this support. Okay, or I can, for example, let's do it this way. This will be too much. 219 pips. But then in that situation my target will be this 1.11, 425 pips. But then I have to also add a pending sell limit right here. Well, I think at this stage I should just be focusing on this 104 pips of a stop loss. And this is not a trade advice, okay? This is, I'm sharing my personal thoughts. And this 170 pips will be good as a TP. 177 pips. Later if it breaks out or something, then I can decide what I need to do. Okay, then on the dollar CHF, well, dollar CHF is also nice. Trend line study, if I do, there is still some place left right here. Maybe a 61.8 of this whole move. 0.79422 right here. 90 pips of a stop loss can potentially give me how much profit? 262 pips. I'm adding a buy limit right here. Stop can be 78.49. And the take profit can be 0.8203. 0.8203. Yes, it will make a very good sense to me. Pound dollar, if I see, since I have sold the euro dollar, so I think let's find out maybe a buy opportunity, but for that I have to study the daily time frame as well. Well, no, at this price point I don't want to buy pound. Okay, I want to add a sell limit somewhere right here. Stop 1.3866. And the TP can be 1.27. 1.2727. 1.2727. Yes, it will make a good sense to me. But if it come here, it will be just invalid. Maybe then I will be adding a buy limit right here as well. Can be risky, but taking it. Okay, stop loss will be 1.1788. 1.1788 long term. Okay, and then obviously the TP can be right here 1.4302. $1.40 I'm setting. So these are my thoughts about pound dollar. Dollar yen I'm not doing anything, and gold I'm actively following. So let's come to gold. So right here those traders who saw that okay, there is a resistance we have, so these bulls must not be taking further buys, and obviously from here it can again drop today and maybe this week back to at least this level of 39.86 approximately, and this level, this will be a reversal zone. So simple. and if it continue further up, that will be this 61.8%, and the 61.8% comes right here near 4100. So this is it, right? This trade I took recently. This one is from yesterday. If you guys have any questions, anything, you can let me know in the chat. Now I'm free for you. Any concept you want to understand, anything, I'm right here. I will be teasing around with these levels, will be reading the candles and all that stuff. So then let's see how thing goes. Try to practice these on demo accounts. Okay, this is by no means any financial advice or anything. This is just my own thoughts about the market, right? So it was a little quick update for all of you. I hope you will understand what I mean to say. And yes, this gold, I may not be in a better position to say something on the higher time frames, because on the higher time frames it is showing us a drop, but on the lower time frames it is standing at a buy zone. So good obviously for scalping. And market slow down. It spent 1 2 3 4 5 around 6 candles right here of 15-minute, which means that okay, this level has something in it. So at least for bulls it can bring something, right? So for today's trade, this is 229 pips, and this yesterday trade I either let it hit its stop loss with 120 pips and give me a profit of 656 pips, or if nothing, just nothing. And this one, this is for today, maybe in the London session, but the stop loss is very tight, so I'm not sure. I can be stopped out with 88 pips. Yes, this is how it is. Market slow down and the Asian session is about to close, so let's see. Maybe in the London session they can first try to take over the high, but anyways, like, we are already prepared for buying on a big drop. If a big drop occurs, this will be the right place to buy. And for the sell, I think if I'm looking at it, maybe on the 1 minute I can take it, otherwise my strategy doesn't suggest any sell, though I see a sell right here. Okay, this was a good one, but I didn't get a chance to close this, but I hope you guys did close it. Yesterday I said it to all of you, right? So take a lot of care of yourself. I will see you maybe in the NY session. I'm not sure if I will come live or not, right? So make sure to check out the rest of the videos, because they are full of information, full of education. Even the yesterday's stream, you can, like, it is better to look at the market to see it, just staring at the charts and the candles, it doesn't give any good result to you. But it is better if you go and check out some of the rest of the videos that I have on my channel, because learning is always better. The more you learn, the better you become. Walaikum assalam inamul rab. The more learning you do, the better you become, right? And learning is such a key that can make you perfect, because if you don't learn the things, if you just keep ignoring the things, if one just follow the hype, is if just one follow just the this and that person is saying this person is saying this, nothing is going to come out from that type of trading. Such trading will be helping you where you learn things yourself and then you apply it, and then you see, you validate everything. If I'm buying, why I'm buying. I mean, there must be a reason behind every decision that you take. For example, if you are not aware of your decision, for example, if I am holding this position, I know what I'm going to do. Okay, even yesterday I booked some losses as well right here, then I recovered it right here in front of all of you. So I know what I need to do. If you know what you need to do, you will never ever get lost in this market. Okay, you will always be successful in this market, and you will be making uh, continuously on regular basis profits again and again and again. But for example, if we just follow the hype, if we just follow, hey guys, this is bullish engulfing, this is that, this is that, my friend, that is not going to work. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money on those things. If you have decided that you need to learn, then try to learn it properly. Either don't do something, or if one is going to do something, must be doing it with full attention and full proper decisions. Okay, so I am holding these trades, and if I am stopped out, I'm already mentally prepared for it, so I will have no regrets, nothing, and I will not be chasing the markets as well. So this is how it is. Don't try to become a sheep. Okay, when a sheep, if you have seen a herd of sheep, they go in like one sheep follow another, another, and all do the same. Don't become a sheep. Try to become a hunter, that you know how you hunt for these pips, how you know, like you know how to look or find out those profitable setups. Because one day a trader, a mentor, a trader, or a YouTuber can give you a trade, but that may work, may not work, or even if work forever, is not going to give any profits to anyone. So these were some of my little advices. I hope you guys get it right. uh, let's see, since I think it might be going to drop, so what we need to do in that situation, I will be there are different levels to be looked for sell, but then I think it will not be my uh, place to look at it, not at all. Okay, let's see this H4 close. Well, see, it already started to consolidate right here, but if I sell, the sell will look like 400 pips later. Like I will need a 400 pips of a stop loss for a sell, then that sell will be nicely working. So let's see, let it hit this SL. Okay, this one is gone. See, this trade, which was 400, how much pips, but it was night time right here, I couldn't close it. Maybe I will not be interested. Like right here, even if you see, this is also broken on lower time frames. Yes, below this one can for sure look for sells. If it breaks below, then we can look to the sell side of the market. But as far as this level is holding, we cannot look to the sell side of the market. So yes, let's see in the NY session what these market further brings us. See you next time.